Everyone, let us read about important articles. Article 51A, Fundamental Duties. Article 72, Power of President to grant pardons, etc. and to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases. Article 74, Council of Ministers to aid and advise the President. Article 78, Duties of Prime Minister as respects the furnishing of information to the President, etc. Article 110, Definition of money bills. Article 112, Annual Financial Statement Budget. Article 123, Power of President to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament. Article 143, Power of President to consult Supreme Court. Article 155, Appointment of Governor. Article 161, Power of Governor to grant pardons, etc. and to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases. Article 163, Council of Ministers to aid and advise the Governor. Article 167, Duties of Chief Minister will with regard to the furnishing of information to Governor, etc. Article 169, Abolition of creation of legislative councils in states. Article 200, Assent to bills by Governor including reservation for President. Article 213, Power of Governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of the state legislature. Article 226, Power of High Courts to issue certain writs. Article 239 at AA, Special provisions with respect to Delhi. Article 249, Power of Parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in a state list in the national interest. Article 262, adjudication of disputes relating to waters of interstate rivers or river valleys. Article 263, provisions with respect to an interstate council. Article 265, taxes not to be imposed save by authority of law. Article 275, grants for the union to certain states. Article 280, Finance Commission. Article 300, suits and proceedings. Article 300A, persons not to be deprived of property save by authority of law, right to property. Article 311, dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of persons employed in civil capacities under the union or state. Article 312, All India Services.